There's a special kind of magic in a perfectly drawn winged eyeliner. It's more than just a beauty technique, it's a ritual, a moment of artistry that can transform not only your look, but also your mood and confidence. With a single sweep, you can go from feeling ordinary to extraordinary, empowered by the boldness of that iconic flick. More than just a line, it's a statement, instantly making your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more lifted. It frames your gaze, draws attention, and adds a touch of drama or subtlety depending on your mood. The winged liner has the power to change your entire expression, giving you a sense of poise and allure. The winged liner is like a little black dress for your eyes. Classic, elegant, and always in style. No matter the occasion, it's a go-to look that never fails to impress. It's adaptable, timeless, and can be dressed up or down to suit your personality and the moment. Worn by queens, movie stars, and everyday people, its beauty lies in its versatility. From ancient royalty to modern icons, the winged liner has graced faces across centuries and cultures, each wearer adding their own twist to the tradition. Go subtle with a tiny flick, or bold with a dramatic wing. The choice is yours. You can experiment with thickness, length, and angle, making it as understated or as daring as you like. There's no single right way to wear it. That's why so many return to it again and again. It's a reliable friend in your makeup bag. Whether you're running late or taking your time, the winged liner is always there to help you feel put together and polished. Mastering the wing is a creative adventure, not a test of perfection. Each attempt is a chance to play, to learn, and to express yourself. Even the wobbly lines and little smudges are part of the journey. Each attempt is a step forward, and every line you draw is uniquely yours. Your winged liner can be as individual as your fingerprint, reflecting your mood, your style, and your creativity. We'll explore the history, gather our tools, and break down each step so it feels easy and achievable. From the ancient Egyptians who first defined their eyes with kohl, to the glamorous icons of the silver screen, to today's trendsetters, we'll see how this look has evolved and how you can make it your own. You'll learn how to fix little mistakes and adapt the style to your unique eye shape. We'll share tips and tricks for steady hands, smooth lines, and finding the perfect angle for your features. By the end, you'll know how to create a beautiful winged liner and feel inspired to express yourself through makeup. You'll have the confidence to experiment, to try new shapes, and to embrace your own version of this classic look. So let's start this journey together. Whether you're here to master the basics or to discover new techniques, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's always something new to discover. The world of winged liner is full of possibilities, and every day is a chance to try something different. The winged liner is timeless for a reason. It's a look that never fades, always adapting and reinventing itself with each new generation. It's not about perfection, it's about having fun and expressing who you are. So grab your favorite liner, get comfortable, and let's dive in together. Your perfect wing is waiting. The story of winged eyeliner is a journey that spans thousands of years, beginning in the mysterious sands of ancient Egypt. Back then, both men and women would carefully line their eyes with kohl, not just for beauty, but for protection from the harsh desert sun and to invoke a sense of power and mystique. That bold, extended line sweeping out from the eye was the very first winged liner, a symbol of strength, spirituality, and even a connection to the gods. Fast forward to the glamorous 1950s, Hollywood's golden age, when stars like Audrey Hepburn and Marilyn Monroe brought the winged liner to the silver screen, making it a symbol of elegance, allure, and timeless beauty. The look didn't stop there. In the swinging 60s, icons like Brigitte Bardot made the wing even bolder, pairing it with mod fashion and a spirit of rebellion. By the 80s and 90s, winged eyeliner became a canvas for self-expression in punk and goth subcultures, with dramatic, graphic lines that challenged the status quo and celebrated individuality. Through every era and every subculture, the winged liner adapted and transformed, proving its incredible versatility and enduring appeal. Today, you'll spot it everywhere, from dazzling red carpets and glossy magazine covers to the endless scroll of social media feeds, where new trends are born every day. Whether it's the sharp, dramatic wings of pop icons like Adele or the subtle, soft flicks worn by everyday makeup lovers, the winged liner remains a favorite for all. Each time you draw that line, you're not just creating a look, you're connecting with a tradition that stretches back thousands of years, linking you to generations of bold, creative individuals. You become part of a story that includes ancient queens, silver screen legends, and fearless rebels who all used eyeliner to express who they are. The winged liner is more than just a beauty trend. It's a living legacy, a mark of confidence, creativity, and self-expression that never goes out of style. Every time you wear it, you're not just following a trend. You're making history your own, adding your unique touch to an ancient art. That's the timeless power of the winged eyeliner, a look that continues to inspire, empower, and evolve with every generation. Now, let's discover how you can make this iconic look your very own. Before we start, let's gather our essentials. The star of the show is your eyeliner. Choose from liquid for sharp lines, felt tip pens for control, or gel for a softer look. Beginners often love felt tip pens. They're easy to handle and forgiving. A good mirror, especially a magnifying one, is your best friend for precision. Make sure you're in a well-lit space and sit at a table to steady your hand. Cotton swabs and makeup remover are your magic erasers. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. Rest your elbow for stability. A steady hand makes all the difference. Don't stress about perfection. Tools are here to help, not intimidate. With these basics, you're ready to create. Remember, even pros make mistakes. Just clean up and keep going. The right tools make the process fun and stress-free. Gather your favorites and let's get started. Your masterpiece awaits. Now let's map out your wing. Start by drawing a small flick at the outer corner of your eye. This sets the angle and length. Imagine a line extending from your lower lash line toward the end of your eyebrow. That's your guide. Use your eyeliner to mark a short diagonal line or dot. Keep it small, you can always build later. Repeat on the other eye, matching the angle and length as closely as possible. Look straight in the mirror to compare, adjust if needed. Don't stress about perfect symmetry. Your eyes are sisters, not twins. The goal is a natural lift and a shape that flatters your features. Take your time with this step. It's the foundation for everything else. Once you're happy with your flicks, you're ready for the next step. This outline makes the rest of the process much easier. Remember, small adjustments now save time later. Mapping is key to a flawless wing. Let's move on to building the body of your line. With your guide flicks in place, it's time to build the wing. This is where your eyeliner look really starts to take shape. So take a deep breath and get comfortable. Remember, a steady hand and a bit of patience go a long way here. Start by drawing a line from the tip of your flick down to your upper lash line, creating a small triangle at the outer corner of your eye. This triangle is the foundation of your wing, and it helps you map out the final shape before you fill it in. The size and angle of this triangle will determine how bold or subtle your wing appears. If you want a more dramatic look, make the triangle larger and the angle sharper. For a softer, everyday style, keep it smaller and more delicate. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find the shape that flatters your eye best. Now fill in the triangle using small, gentle strokes. This technique gives you more control and helps prevent mistakes. Aim for an even, opaque finish so your wing looks crisp and defined. Take your time with this step. A sharp, clean edge makes all the difference in achieving that polished winged look. If you need to, use a cotton swab or a bit of concealer to tidy up the edges. Once you're happy with your first wing, repeat the process on your other eye. Try to match the shape, angle, and thickness as closely as possible, but don't stress if they're not perfectly identical. Next, draw a thin line starting from your inner corner, gliding it smoothly along your upper lash line, and connecting it to the wing you just created. This step ties the whole look together and frames your eyes beautifully. Keep the line as thin as possible at the inner corner, then gradually thicken it as you move outward toward the wing. This gradual transition creates a natural lifted effect that enhances your eye shape. The result is that classic lifted look that makes your eyes appear bigger and more awake. It's a timeless style that works for any occasion. Take a moment to check both eyes in the mirror. Look at them from different angles and make any small adjustments needed for balance and symmetry. Don't worry about tiny differences. Even makeup artists rarely get both wings exactly the same. What matters most is how you feel wearing your look. Confidence is key. Remember, winged liner is about enhancing your natural beauty and expressing your style, not achieving absolute perfection. Let your eyes shine. Enjoy the process, have fun experimenting, and watch your look come to life with every stroke. Each time you try, you'll get a little better and more confident. With regular practice, building the body of the line will become second nature, and you'll be able to create your signature wing in no time. Congratulations, you've just created a classic winged liner. Take a moment to admire your work and enjoy your bold, beautiful eyes. For a softer look, try a Kajal pencil, famous for its creamy texture and blendability. Kajal creates a smoky, romantic effect, perfect for a more relaxed vibe. Draw your wing, then use a smudging brush or fingertip to soften the edges. This technique is forgiving and great for beginners. Kajal is also ideal for tight lining your upper waterline for fuller-looking lashes. Apply to your lower waterline for extra drama. The beauty of Kajal is in its softness and smudge, no need for perfect lines. If liquid liner feels intimidating, start here and enjoy the artistry. Even pros have off days. Don't get frustrated by mistakes. For smoother lines, use short connected dashes instead of one long stroke. If your wings don't match, use a cotton swab with makeup remover to reshape. For extra sharpness, clean up with a flat concealer brush. Have hooded eyes? Draw your wing with eyes open so it's visible when you look straight ahead. Use eyeshadow primer to help your liner last longer. Set your liner with black eyeshadow for extra staying power. Practice and patience are your best tools. Every attempt brings you closer to your perfect wing. Once you've mastered the classic wing, it's time to get creative. Play with thickness, length, and color. Try brown for softness, navy for a pop, or gold for fun. Experiment with double wings, graphic shapes, or a reverse cat eye for something unique. Look online for inspiration and don't be afraid to try new things. Makeup is about self-expression, not rules. Your eye shape and style are unique. Embrace what makes you feel confident. The goal is to enjoy the process and discover what you love. Draw, smudge, erase, and try again. Your eyelids are your canvas. There's no right or wrong way to wear winged liner. Let your creativity shine. Find the looks that make you smile. Your style is yours to define. Our journey has shown that winged eyeliner is more than makeup. It's history, art, and self-expression. You now have the tools and steps to create your own look, no matter your skill level. Be patient with yourself. Every artist starts somewhere. Embrace imperfections. They're part of your story. Makeup is play, a way to show the world who you are. Some days you'll want a classic wing, other days something bold and new. There are no rules. Just have fun and express yourself. Let your eyes tell your story with confidence. The most beautiful look is one worn with joy. Thank you for joining this journey. Now go create your masterpiece. The world is your canvas. Make your mark.